We all go through this every day in our lives as smartphone users, whereby you cannot download two apps of the same kind on the same smartphone or the same device you own. Yes, you cannot duplicate an app. Now, on this video, I'll be teaching you on how to duplicate any app on your phone countless times. Yes, depending how much times you want to duplicate that app on your phone. Now, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, I am Junior MJ. I teach and give you different functions on smartphone, give you websites, and also teach people on how to make money across their different social media platforms using their smartphone. So now, if you don't want to miss out, just click the subscribe button and follow me on all social media platforms. Now, let me show you. Just go to your Play Store or App Store and download this app called Multiple Accounts. Yes, the app is already downloaded on my phone, so I just have to tap on open and make use of it. For you, at the first time of coming across this app, you just need to download the app. Yes, this is the app. It's just that I'm facing some network issue. Now, I just have to tap on open and get access to the app. Let me tap on it. This is the app, multiple account. Just wait, let me show you how to take full control of the app. Now, this is the homepage of the app. This app can literally clone any app on your phone. Yes, you just have to tap on this plus icon and select the app you want to clone. You want to get two Ys on your phone. Yes, you just have to tap on it and wait. Now, let's just try WhatsApp. Let's try to clone a WhatsApp. Let's see. Tap on WhatsApp. Just tap on that plus icon. Add in, please hold on. Now, this is your WhatsApp. As you can see, you just cloned your WhatsApp using this multiple account app. Now, tap on WhatsApp. In a case where you want to create another WhatsApp account, this is another method you can do it. Yes, exactly. Your WhatsApp is ready. Just tap on agree and continue and input the new number you want to use, you want to make use of. Yes, it's simple. It functions well just like the normal app you downloaded first. Yes. Now, let's just go back and tap on the plus icon and tap on Facebook. Let's just clone Facebook again. Tap on Facebook. Now, see Facebook is already cloned. Yes, this is how simple this thing works. Yes, no stress, no pressure. Even if you're a new user, you can upgrade this app easily. Yes, now you just have to tap on login or either you create a new Facebook account. Now, if you find this video useful, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me on all social media platforms and stay connected for more tips like this.